In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sent emails in Xero. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and open the accounting menu. This is where you'll find access to your organization's records and activity. Within that menu, choose History and Notes. This area is Xero's activity log, and it's incredibly useful for tracking who did what and when, including emails sent from Xero such as invoices, quotes, statements, or reminders. Once the History and Notes page loads, you'll see filters that help you narrow down the feed. Open the filter labeled All Types. By default, it shows every kind of activity, which can be overwhelming if you're only interested in emails. To focus your view, first choose Deselect All. This clears every activity category and gives you a clean slate so you can target only email-related entries. With everything deselected, use the search field within that same types filter and type the word email. This quickly pulls up all activity types that include the word email. From the results, select outgoing email settings. This tells Xero you want to display activity related to outgoing email functions. Selecting just this category helps you zero in on email-related actions and avoid sifting through unrelated activity like contact edits or bank reconciliations. After making your selection, click Apply. Xero will refresh the activity list to show only entries that match your filter. You should now see a focused timeline of email-related events. Each entry typically includes a timestamp and details about what happened, making it easier to confirm whether communications were sent and when they were processed by Xero. A few quick tips as you review this list. If you're part of a larger team, your visibility might depend on your user role, so if you're not seeing what you expect, check with your organization's administrator. Keep in mind that this view reflects emails sent from Xero itself. Messages sent from your personal inbox outside of Xero won't appear here. If your results look sparse, try broadening the time period or confirming that the document you expect to see, like an invoice, was actually sent from Xero rather than just saved or approved. That's it. By navigating to History and Notes, refining the activity types, and applying the email-specific filter, you can quickly verify your sent email activity in Xero and keep a clean audit trail of your communications.